Hey y'all, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here. Got a bunch more stickers in the mail recently, so once again it is sticker swap shout out time. I've already got the stickers out of the envelopes, so I would like to give shout outs to Real Antique Wood, Lone Vessel Woodworks. Really love that, being a pirate. Beautiful sticker. Sawyer Designs. Grain Farm Woodworking. Killer Pens. Really awesome logo there. Very piratey looking. Kirsty Pervin Davis, designer and maker. Studio Media Woodworking. Sawdust at Sunrise. .611 Wood and Metal Designs, carpenter and maker. Woodmark, Mark Christopher, as seen on YouTube. And Mason B. Woodcraft. This sticker here, very sentimental to me because my grandfather, being a carpenter, he was also a beekeeper, so this one reminds me of my grandfather a lot. But I'm going to drop links to all these amazing makers, to their Instagram pages for sticker swaps and follows down in the description below. And what we're going to do now is get the stickers up on the sticker wall. All of the new stickers are up on the sticker swap sticker wall. Once again, thank you to all the makers, artisans, and crafters, musicians, and everything that I sticker swap with. I'm going to leave a link down to my Instagram page in the description as well with all these other amazing makers. So if you want to sticker swap with me, the Artisan Pirate, you can. But it's really starting to fill up. I love it. It's a constantly changing piece of art, and I love that, being an artist and a maker. But once again, I think that is all for this video. Please continue to like and share my videos. If you haven't, please click that subscribe button. Check out some of my other videos. And please stay tuned for more content. Take care, have a great day, and God bless.